It's important to upgrade the firmware of all network devices. Upgrades often provide enhanced security, bug fixes, or even new features. Be sure to upgrade all your devices to the latest version when it becomes available. Downloads can be found at software.cisco.com. There are two different series of Cisco Business Wireless CBW access points, APs. The 140AC, 145AC, and 240AC models operate on the 802.11ac Wave 2 standard. The 150AX is a newer model that supports the latest 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6 standard. Even though these access points have different capabilities, there are some helpful new troubleshooting features available on both series of APs, with the latest version of firmware. On the 140, 145, and 240 access points, that's version 10.8.1.0. On the 150, it's version 10.6.2.0. For new features, you can now have a Syslog server for either the controller itself or individual APs. You can also perform a factory reset of all APs at once from the web user interface, UI. Last, but certainly not least, there is now packet capture capability on individual access points. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll review these new features available on CBW access points. Next. To get started, navigate to the monitoring menu in the UI of the access point. Under Network Summary, click on Access Points. Select an AP. I'll select my CBW 150AX. When you scroll down, you can see the Syslog tab. Enter the Syslog server IP address. You can change the log Syslog level from the drop-down options. After that, enable logging and click Apply. If you want to view the same logs that you would see from the UI, choose Advanced from the navigation pane. Select Logging. Here, you can change the log Syslog level and the log buffer level to the desired options using the drop-down menu. Next, click on Add Server. Enter the Syslog server IP address and click Apply. To show the results, I have added a Syslog server to a CBS 350 switch to which the CBW is connected. When the CBW is reset, you can see the individual AP logs first. After that, the logs show the switch port going down and then coming back up. Below, the AP can be viewed during its initial boot up cycle. You can see it has received an IP address. Then, the controller itself received an IP address. Further down, you can see the debug logs from the UI. Now, if you want to do a factory reset of all access points, navigate to Advanced and select Primary AP Tools. Under Configuration Management, you can click Factory Default All APs, as seen on this button here. When prompted whether you want to erase the configuration for all APs and reboot, click Yes to continue or No to decline. A packet capture is a process that records network traffic for analysis. This can help troubleshoot network issues, detect security threats, and understand network performance by providing information about the source and destination of packets, the protocols used, data size, and other valuable details. To access the packet capture feature, switch to Expert View by clicking the bidirectional arrow at the top of the screen. Under the Monitoring menu and then Network Summary, click on Access Points. Select an AP, scroll down, and click the Packet Capture tab. Select the interface. I'll choose my primary AP. The protocol options for the capture include IP, TCP, and UDP. I'll select IP and click Start. Then I'll quickly connect my laptop to the wireless network so it can receive an IP address from DHCP during the packet capture. Click the Stop button when you feel you have captured enough information. The maximum file size for a packet capture on CBW is 5 megabytes. When you click download, the packet capture will be saved in the download folder of your computer. You can use Wireshark to view the file and see the activity of the individual AP. I'll change the filter to DHCP so you can see the request I made for an IP address and the offer of 172.16.1.104. This comes from the router, acting as the DHCP server. There you have it. New options to simplify the process of identifying and resolving connectivity issues. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.